I thought I would do a video with an AR emoji to show that I really do love my Samsung features that I have on my Note 10 Plus, and that I'm a Samsung lover. But really, I have a Samsung Woe, and I'm hoping that maybe if this is shared enough, that they'll add it in their future Samsung update. I have had Note series since Note 3, and this is a feature that's been on every other Note except Note 10 Plus and the regular Note 10. I want it back, and I'm assuming there's others that would want it too, especially with someone who doesn't always use the S Pen, but does enough to notice there's a feature missing that needs to be back. Besides the headphone jack, we've been there, done that. I'm talking about a software update that could fix it all. At least fix this. So this is the Note 9, but this also does it on the other notes prior, like the Note 8 as well. And where you can use the S Pen handwriting to text feature on other keyboards like Swift keyboard, Gboard, things like that, without having to go and activate the Samsung keyboard. Just hover over where you want to write and a little TLT pops up. But in the Note 10 Plus, when I want to use this feature and you hover, nothing comes up. I have all the same settings activated. It doesn't matter. I have to constantly swap over to the Samsung keyboard just to have that feature. And that is something I actually use often with my S Pen when I do use it. I don't use it every moment of the day or every time I touch my note phone, but I do use it, and it is one of the main things I use the most when it comes to the S Pen. This is what I'm hoping gets changed. So I'm thinking if we just share, maybe this will be noticed enough. And hopefully Samsung will bring it back, because as an S Pen occasional user, I would like this back. I know that the AR emojis are not perfect, but at least they make you laugh, right? This is Tech Lover Mama. I hope everyone has a great rest of their day. Bye.